hot today. Nice and hot today. You see the light? Yeah, bro, it looks fresh. Alright, now let's show you how we put a box into a wall and a switch. The stud here in the middle.
Right here in the middle?
Or nothing, just these two.
I know we have here, he don't remember.
Give me that cutter that we were using to cut that wire. And drywall saw. Yes, sir. Yeah, very good. We are a good.
There's a device.
Yeah, but come on, man. You're in construction, you should know. There's this guy who makes these TikToks, right? And he's like, if you go to Home Depot and you don't know where something is, you don't ask, you leave. Be a man. Don't touch the thing, it's hot. So we're gonna run a wire from that box we opened up in the ceiling all the way here. Then from here, we're putting 4 pot lights in this room. 2 here, 2 here. We're taking out that light. All right, this is gonna be a little mission, but let's see. Okay, I'm pulling. Okay, hold up. It went too deep. I'm gonna pull the wire up. Put your hand there and just tell me when to stop and you can pull it out. That's in.
Okay, keep going. Keep going.
Hold on.
Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop.
There you go. Okay, Mauricio. All right.
That's how you show your hands.
That's it.
That's good?
Yeah, that's it. Take off that ceiling tile. We gotta take off that light. That junction box is taking it somewhere else. Oh, bro. Nothing. I just don't know where the wire is going. Okay, we have wire there. We have wire here. The pot light's going in there, right?
Yeah.
So we need a full ceiling tile in here. Okay, let's put that back. This was taking power somewhere else. I don't know where that junction box is taking it now. So I'm gonna try figuring that out.
How many are you putting in here? 2, right?
4.
4.
Yeah. Don't tell me that. Yeah. The exhaust doesn't have power. I don't know what you want to do with that. It was taking power from the lights. Yeah. And it wasn't working, so the exhaust is busted. No, not really. Just put a full sheet in there, right? Yeah.
It's just maybe get those.
No, we'll just put a sheet.
Oh, you can put a sheet.
Yeah, we'll take that off.
I'm just trimming out the window. Obviously, right now we're June 1st. So we weren't able to finish for the June 1st deadline that I wanted to do and that we had. But we've worked out. There was some other additional stuff that they added, so we weren't able to work out an extra week. I don't think we'll need the 4 week if we keep the same amount of push that we've been doing, but we have a week. We have a week to finish, including the additional stuff. So we're just gonna keep going, keep rolling, and get them done. Tuesday. So the question is, this is gonna be to hold the window in.
Okay.
And then this is gonna be to trim, watch out, the window. The question is, do we go this full width? Go take it and look, put it there.
Yes, I would say take the
Or
full
do
width.
we go and match the doors, which is only 1.5 inches, and the other window? And so now this is what the window looks like. We're gonna prime and paint all of these, caulk and seal it. And now we've got a window where it was previously a wall. It's pretty cool. It opens up the room, right? It makes a small room feel much bigger. And even if you see inside the room, you can tell that the vibe is gonna feel much better, much brighter. So, good job. This is nice. 2 new windows where there weren't any before. We're getting rid of all the walls. We're making it happen. Oh, did you see the new kitchen too? Kitchen, new counters, new cabinets, new breakfast bar, new upper cabinets. They're gonna replace the fridge. They're gonna get the new sink, single-handed faucet with a spray system. This is the nicest office I've been to in this units and buildings. We're doing a good job.
I got this.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready? How heavy is this gonna be?
Hold on. No, it's gonna be heavy for me. You're just gonna close it normally. Just wait.
The door has to go down more, no?
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to do.
Hold on, I'll lift this and you push. Yep. No, it's floating.
Huh?
So you want it like that? It's floating still.
Yeah, it's floating because you're not gonna.
There you go.
Okay. Nobody will steal this. Famous last words. Oh,
Oh, yeah, take that out. Do you need help?
always disconnect your tools if you're leaving them, because you never know, some random person comes in and wants to play with it, or a kid especially. And if they're your tools, you're liable for it. So I always disconnect them when I'm not in use, when they're not in use.